Are you ready to take your graphic design skills to the next level? Computer Training Wales offers a full range of Illustrator courses to help you master the powerful tools of Adobe Illustrator. For beginners, our one-day introductory course will teach you the Illustrator basics like working with shapes, colors, and text. Learn essential skills for creating logos, icons, and more. Looking to advance your skills? Our intermediate course delves into techniques like custom brushes, gradients, and 3D effects. Take your designs to new heights. And for experienced designers, our advanced Illustrator training pushes the limits of creativity. Master complex illustrations, motion graphics, and real-world projects that will set you apart. With courses for all experience levels, we'll help you unlock Illustrator's full potential so you can pursue your design dreams. Enroll today and start your Illustrator journey. Computer Training Wales, boosting careers through creative skills.